Yo, what's going on, everybody? Stockopolis Jack here, bringing you a brand new video. And today, we're going to be discussing APE and AMC. Now, as you see today, APE opened up, and as you can see, skyrocketed at the very beginning of the opening, and then began to plummet and plummet and plummet. And so, as you can see, APE, the special preferred share dividend, began trading Monday on the New York Stock Exchange. The stock plunged on risks that the new units would dilute the company's main shares even more. Yes, that's the main reason, but there's more to it. And as you can see, the APE's units are special dividend to Class A common shareholders that AMC announced in early August. At that time, CEO Adam Aron called the move perhaps the single biggest action we'll take in all of 2022 to fundamentally strengthen AMC for the long term. And we'll get to more on him now in a moment. But as you can see, AMC stated it would issue almost 517 million APE units, one for each share of outstanding common stock, to shareholders of record as of August the 15th. And each unit represents an interest of 1/100th of a share of the company's preferred stock, giving a unit the same voting right as one share of the company's common stock. So lots of things with this. Continuing on, I think this is an important point as well. Eric Wold is an analyst at B. Riley Securities, said in a note that the group would be surprised if the two classes of equity, meaning the APEs and the common shares, didn't trade at relatively equal prices after initial dust settles, given the economic equal value and voting rights. Now, as we know, AMC was down a lot today, and no, it's not equal yet, but again, they said after initial dust settles, but that's a very interesting take to say that. And here's Mr. Aron with the APE seeing its first trade on the New York Stock Exchange at some time tomorrow morning. The value of your AMC investment will be the combination of your AMC shares and your new APE units. An AMC share plus a new APE unit added together compared to just an AMC share previously. And as you can see with the comment down below, remember we never asked for this dilution, we asked for a dividend to squeeze the short. You saw it with the dark side, sir, and screwed over your investors. And that seems to be the way many people are reacting to this. But I just want to show you guys this. There's a big issue as well. There's a lot of people's orders not going through. As you can see, APE and AMC were the top buyers today. With, as you can see, APE 81% buys, and I believe AMC was 79% buys, which, is just insane. As you see AMC down 41% today. But again, here's another note. He said important. Mr. Aron said important. Remember that with the APE already having its first New York Stock Exchange trade today, the value now of your AMC holdings consists of your price of your AMC shares and your new APE units combined. Add together an AMC share plus a new APE unit compared to just an AMC share before, but that's not necessarily true. As you can see, technically, yes, this is on his 8K report. So it says, are the AMC preferred equity units convertible into common stock? I also believe this is important to show you guys as well. It says, technically, yes, the AMC preferred equity units can convert into common stock, but only if the AMC board proposes, and then investors vote to approve an increase in the number of authorized shares of common stock in an amount at least sufficient to permit the conversion of the AMC preferred equity units into common stock. However, we do not currently expect the AMC board to make such a proposal anytime soon. Showing dilution is around the corner possibly, but again, here you go. It says, it is more likely than not that the two securities, common stock and AMC preferred equity shares, so APE units, would trade as two separate securities for quite some time to come. So there do I need to do anything to receive the AMC preferred equity unit dividend? And AMC will be delivering the AMC preferred equity unit dividend via computer share to the Depository Trust Company, which is DTTC, who will then deliver them to your broker. That's how the dividend usually works. How each individual broker then handles the dividends is determined by the broker and is governed by the broker agreement. So they're not claiming any responsibility if you don't get your stock and your shares, which is why next slide we'll see lots of people having issues getting it, hence why the price was plummeting today. In most cases, you will need to take no action, and APEs will eventually and automatically go into your account. However, it does not happen. You should immediately contact your broker. And we'll get into it as well, what the brokers are saying. Some broker firms will deposit your APEs quickly, while others take several days to do so. I wanted to show you this quickly as well. Walter Bloomberg stated AMC Entertainment shares fall about 33% as Cineworld's bankruptcy warning spells trouble ahead of Ape debut, and he tags AMC. And it seems like he's just, putting more fuel on the fire, along with lots of these articles. But here you can see one guy, Rogue Trader, give him a follow. As you can see, many brokers are allowing people to buy Ape right now, despite still not planting their entitled shares owed to them into their account. Read that again in the comments. AMC preferred equity is now available to buy and sell in an app. We expect Ape shares resulting from your AMC holding on the ex-dividend date, 1-for-1, to be credited to your account on the 24th. As you can see, it is necessary for the DTTC to get the shares allocated and settled before allocations to customer accounts can be made. As you can see, they're hoping Ape allocations are available for distribution before the market open today. Unfortunately, we now have received a confirmation from U.S. broker that this has not been possible. These are on the big apps as well. People not being able to get their shares, although you can technically buy them, but they failed to deliver. Ape is one thing, and AMC is one thing. That seems like a very complicated process, and many people are upset with the CEO, Mr. Aaron, as they should be, because it doesn't seem like it's going to be like that. It seems like it's going to add a ton more dilution. Of course, in my own opinion. Leave your comments down below, guys. Do an update on GCT, guys. Now, as you can see, a big sell-off today and after hours. Now, volume was not as high as it was Friday, and there was times where it almost reached, open price, but then dropped off again, gained a little bit of traction near the end of the day, and then start drop off again. Now, after hours down a lot as well. I just wanted to bring you this too. The sell orders are more than the buy orders, which is a big concern with, the price. And of course, HKD, guys, did not go up in a couple of days. It took, a few weeks before they skyrocketed. Now, in retail got to hold in order to make it go up. And, people are going to take profits after 250 almost percent day on Friday, guys. And even down 30 to 40% here is still great, guys. But again, as you can see today, they announced the closing of its initial public offering, simultaneously closing of the full over element option of 3,381,000 Class A ordinary shares, the public offering of the 12.25 price. The gross proceeds of the offering were approximately 41 million before deducting underwriting discounts and commissions and offering expenses. But guys, just want to bring you a quick update on GCT. My last video, appreciate the support on that one. And I still do think it can go up that high, of course. But again, people are going to take profits, guys. If you got in at the 12, it went down to lows of, I believe, $7 or $8 at some point on Friday. So you're going to take a 400 or 500% profit, guys. Anybody would, in my opinion. But again, this do have potential to go up, of course. But again, retail has to work together, in my opinion. But again, I just want to bring you an update on APE and AMC and some manipulation and speculation that seems to be going on, and not necessarily, but it seems to be going on. Leave your comments down below, guys, what you think of APE and AMC and GCT, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Thanks for watching.